Hello everyone, I hope you're all having a lovely day. So I'm going to show you on how to set up a prop inside of Warudo. So you're going to go ahead and click on this plus button right here. Then you're going to go down to the button that says prop. Then what you're going to do is decide whether you want it enabled or not. You can of course adjust your transformation, but before we get into that, you're going to go ahead and click on the source. If you have a prop, which you're going to require the Warudo SDK to make your own prop though, but otherwise though, pretty much you can put it in here. But there are pre-existing props that you can use from Warudo themselves. You can click on the preview gallery here, and they should have pre-existing ones. There's some cool effects you can have, which are really, really pretty. Or you can even have little pets there. They're all so cute. So let's say, for instance, we're going to choose a manatee because it's so cute. So we're going to choose a manatee, and then we're going to zoom out from Warudo, and as you can see, there's a manatee. You can use the arrow keys to move around the manatee. Basically, press the E button to rotate the manatee, and then R button to scale it so it becomes giant manatee. Hello, giant manatee. How are you? So yeah, there you go. It's so cute. Okay, so basically you can of course adjust your transformations here if you wish, but otherwise you can do it in the 3D view. And then pretty much you can have it be attached to something, so it can be attached to my character basically, which there you go, it's attached to my head. Wow, dangerous manatee. So you can have that, it could be attached to bone or a different area of your model basically. So that's a pretty good thing about the prop stuff. You can attach it to your character, or it could be attached to something else like an object in your environment and such. But for now, I'll just have it so it be its own. It is its own controller, its own thing basically. Then you have of course meshes. You can change it so that way, like there's the LOD basically. So LOD is referring to level of detail, so you can have it where it's low poly, or it could be a very high poly and such. You could change like the thing basically, so like here. But either way though, you know, if you have like a prop or something that have different meshes, you can toggle them on and off and such, or set up different stuff basically, or have blend shapes and all that. Again, you'll need the Warudo SDK to make your own, you know, assets basically, custom stuff, but all is good though. But either way though, you can of course have it where there's collision detection. This is pretty useful if you're gonna do some tossing or maybe like interaction stuff with your character basically. So yeah, but overall in a nutshell, that's pretty much how you can set up props inside of Warudo basically. I hope that this tutorial helped you out, and I hope you have a lovely day, and I'll see you guys next time. Bye bye.